So guys, for the first step, you want to head up with search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine, and now you want to expand software, and now you want to expand policies, and now you want to expand Microsoft, and now we're going to expand Windows. And now after you expand Windows, you should now be seeing OneDrive. If you don't see OneDrive in this list, then we're going to create the folder. So you want to right click on Windows, and then click on New, and then click on Key. We're going to call this key OneDrive. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did, and then click on Enter. If you already had the OneDrive folder, then just click on that. And we should now be on the OneDrive folder. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now that we're in the OneDrive folder, you should be having something called Disable File Sync NGSC. If you don't have it, then we're just going to right click on the white space, and then click on New, and then click on dword 32-bit value. We're going to call this Disable File Sync NGSC. Again, spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did, and then click on Enter. I'm going to make this a bit bigger so we can see it. Here it is. And then once you have this, you want to double click on it. Make sure that you have the value data on 0. So in this box right here under value data, make sure that you have the number 0, and then click on OK. Now once you do all of this should now fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, then you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down until we find Microsoft OneDrive. You want to click on the 3 dots, and then click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall again. You want to uninstall Microsoft OneDrive. And now after you've uninstalled Microsoft OneDrive, we're just going to restart our computer. We're going to come back into Windows now. And now once you're back on Windows, you just want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to just reinstall OneDrive again. And then this should now fix your problem.